Daesung hybrid water heater. What type of water heater is in your house? Tank or tankless? For tank type, you can use hot water from tank immediately. However, you have to use extra energy to maintain the water temperature in tank whole time. For tankless, you only use gas when you're using hot water. You can save your pocket. However, it takes long time to have hot water, and also you may have high water pressure drop. You can have water as soon as you turn your faucet on. You can have constant temperature of hot water. You can have large amount of water flow. You can have very low minimum flow rate. You can have space efficiency. You can have endless hot water. You can save your pocket. We put all these advantages in one unit. It's Daesung hybrid water heater. When you turn your faucet on with your desired temperature, cold water gets into the unit through bypass valve. Mix with heated water from heat exchanger, and then it supplies hot water instantaneously with accurate temperature. Unit always carries 3 gallons of hot water in tank. You can use very accurate temperature of hot water even in low water flow conditions such as dishwasher. There is almost no limit for the water flow.